Hey guys, Brian with the Seat Shop. Today talking about seat heaters, and the most common question we get is, do the coils face up to the seat or do they face down onto the foam cushion? Hey guys, if this video helped you out, help us out, that little thumb right there, go and hit that sucker for me. Go ahead and share it with a buddy if he's gonna be doing a similar style project. And man, if interior work on trucks and SUVs is something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. We put all kinds of content out about interior work for trucks and SUVs, from recovering to little tips and tricks, all kinds of stuff. So this is a new heater that we sell here at the Seat Shop. This is an old factory original. You can see the thin wiring on this side of the heater on the factory one, and you can see the larger gauge wire exposed here. They look a little bit different, but when this is installed, when the factory one's on, it sits like this, and you don't really see the wiring till you look underneath. Now on our replacement heaters, you're gonna actually see the wire facing up. This is actually the correct way for it to go. There's adhesive strips in the back that peel off, that sticks down to the foam, and that's what holds it in place. I just want to make sure that when you're pulling the old one off and you're looking at the new one, it looks backwards because they're manufactured differently. This is the newer technology, the better way. It's more durable, thicker gauge wire, but on this design, the wire faces up towards the ceiling instead of face down onto the foam. But it's a whole lot a better design than the original, but it's going to look a little bit different when you're taking it off. Just want to make sure that just kind of clean up the confusion. Underneath side on the factory, you see the wire. When it's down, you just see the white cloth. The new one, you're going to see the wire once it's installed onto the foam cushion.